Picture this, a world where a simple bottle of oil can hold the key to unlocking a healthier, happier you. Welcome to the aromatic odyssey of rosemary oil. It's not just an oil, it's an age-old secret that's about to be unveiled, a treasure chest of well-being. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of rosemary oil and discover what happens when you make it a part of your daily life. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about a transformation that reaches beneath the surface of your skin. If you found this journey as captivating as we have, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're here to delve into the fascinating world of natural remedies, holistic wellness, and so much more. Rosemary oil isn't some mystical elixir. It's a gift from Mother Nature herself, cherished for centuries for its enchanting aroma and healing properties. It's not just any oil, it's the magic potion of wellness. So, hold on to your seats as we embark on a journey that promises to surprise and enlighten you. By the end of this video, you'll understand why rosemary oil deserves a special spot in your everyday routine. Get ready to be amazed. Number 1. The Aroma of Awakening. Rosemary oil is your sensory wake-up call, a few drops of which can take you from bleary-eyed to bright and alert. Its scent isn't just any scent. It's an aromatic superpower that can boost your cognitive abilities, memory, and mental clarity. The magic of rosemary oil's aroma lies in its ability to stimulate your mind. So, whether you're facing a mountain of work or simply need to focus, a few inhales of this fragrant elixir can be your secret weapon. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Rosemary oil doesn't stop at tantalizing your senses. It extends its benefits to your hair, muscles, stress levels, and even your culinary experiences. We're about to dive deeper into this fragrant world. Number 2. The Tresses Transformation. Dreaming of a crown of lush, vibrant hair that dances with life? Rosemary oil might just be your genie in a bottle. Applying rosemary oil to your scalp is like opening a door to hair heaven. It can awaken dormant hair follicles, boosting hair growth and reducing hair loss. The secret? Improved scalp circulation, ensuring that your hair gets all the nutrients it needs to flourish. But the magic doesn't end there. Rosemary oil is your ally in the battle against premature graying and dandruff. It's your soothing balm for an itchy, flaky scalp. And here's the cherry on top. It's not just about looks. Healthy hair is your confidence booster. So if you're on a quest for the hair of your dreams, rosemary oil is your fairy godmother. And the journey doesn't stop here. We're going to explore how this fragrant elixir can soothe sore muscles, melt away stress, and elevate your culinary adventures. Stick around to uncover the full spectrum of its incredible benefits. Number 3. Melt away muscle woes. We've all had those days when our muscles stage a full-blown rebellion. Whether you're an athlete or a desk warrior, muscle discomfort can hit anyone. That's where rosemary oil waltzes in as your natural soothing partner. Its compounds have the incredible power to relax your muscles, alleviate discomfort, and provide a sense of relief. Just a few drops, gently massaged into the affected area, can work wonders thanks to the oil's warming effect that enhances circulation. But that's not all. The anti-inflammatory properties make rosemary oil your post-workout bestie. Whether you're wrestling with muscle cramps or just the everyday aches and pains, rosemary oil's natural touch can be a game changer. So, if you're looking for a more natural way to calm those muscular woes, rosemary oil is your go-to remedy. And the journey is far from over. We'll explore how it can be your stress relief companion, a culinary enhancer, a supporter of respiratory well-being, and a holistic wellness contributor. Stay with us to discover the full extent of this fragrant elixir's incredible benefits. Number 4. The Stress Buster. In our fast-paced lives, stress often knocks on our door uninvited. But guess what? Rosemary oil can be your calming companion. The aroma of rosemary oil is not just any fragrance. It's the secret to lowering your stress and anxiety levels. Inhaling this delightful scent has been shown to have a calming effect. So, whether you're tackling a busy workday or simply need a moment of tranquility, rosemary oil is there to caress your senses. But there's more to it than just its aroma. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of rosemary oil can help reduce stress-related inflammation and oxidative stress. It's like a dual protective shield against the pressures of life. By adding a touch of rosemary oil to your daily life, you're not just treating your senses to a fragrant delight, you're gifting yourself moments of serenity and peace. But again, the adventure doesn't stop here. We're about to uncover how rosemary oil can enrich your culinary experiences, promote respiratory well-being, and contribute to your overall wellness. Stay with us to explore the complete spectrum of this fragrant elixir's incredible benefits. Number 5. Culinary Magic. Beyond its remarkable medicinal properties, rosemary oil has made its way into the culinary world, transforming ordinary dishes into extraordinary culinary experiences. Rosemary, with its aromatic and slightly pine-like flavor, is a chef's secret to elevating the taste of dishes. It pairs flawlessly with roasted meats, soups, stews, and even baked goods, adding depth and richness to your meals. But it's not just the flavor. Rosemary oil is also an excellent base for marinades and sauces, infusing your dishes with elegance and earthy charm. By incorporating rosemary oil into your culinary creations, you're not just enhancing your food, you're adding a pinch of aromatic enchantment to your daily life. But this is just the beginning. In our aromatic adventure, we'll also uncover how rosemary oil can support respiratory well-being, melt away stress, rejuvenate hair, and even boost your mood. So, stay tuned as we unveil the complete array of benefits from this fragrant elixir. Number 6. Breathe easy. Easy, deep breaths are the cornerstone of good health, and rosemary oil can offer invaluable support for your respiratory well-being. For centuries, rosemary oil has been a trusted remedy to alleviate respiratory issues. It can help relax the tracheal muscles, making it easier to breathe, particularly during episodes of congestion. But doesn't stop there. Rosemary oil's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties provide additional support for your respiratory health. It can help reduce inflammation of the airways, which is particularly beneficial for individuals with conditions like asthma. Just the aroma of rosemary oil can assist in clearing mucus and phlegm, providing relief when you're experiencing respiratory discomfort. By adding rosemary oil to your daily routine, you're not just treating your senses to a fragrant delight, you're also supporting your respiratory health. Conclusion. And that, my friends, brings us to the end of this aromatic journey through the world of rosemary oil. It's been quite a ride, hasn't it? Who would have thought that a simple bottle of oil could hold the key to unlocking a healthier and happier you? Rosemary oil, with its aromatic compounds, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties, can stimulate cognitive function, support hair health, relieve stress, soothe sore muscles, enhance culinary experiences, and promote respiratory well-being. It's a fragrant gift from nature, waiting to enhance your life in myriad ways. So, as you apply a drop of rosemary oil to your skin or take in its delightful aroma, remember that you're embracing a holistic approach to well-being. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of the potential benefits of rosemary oil and that you're inspired to make it a part of your daily routine. Thank you for joining us, and may your days be forever scented with the delightful essence of rosemary. Stay fragrant, stay well. Thanks for watching.